Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to add a payment method on Binance, step by step, perfect for buying or selling crypto. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log in. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the top left, then choose Payment Methods. Step 3. Tap Add a new payment method and select your preferred option, like bank transfer, mobile money, PayPal, or Revolut, depending on your country. Step 4. Enter your account name, number, and other required details exactly as they appear. Step 5. Tap Confirm. Binance may ask for ID verification if it's not yet completed. Step 6. Once verified, your method is saved for P2P, crypto purchases, or withdrawals. Tip: make sure your payment name matches your Binance profile to avoid issues. And that's it. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tutorials.